Disclaimer: this video is not subjected to fake Bitcoin Ponzi schemes or any bogus schemes. The methods told in this video is 100% legitimate, tested and working for thousands of peoples. Are you struggling to make your first income online? Simply copy this proven system that reveals the exact steps that I used to build a successful business online. The most proven and profitable system ever. Affiliate marketing is one of the most profitable business models still to this day, and you can truly live the laptop lifestyle. But most people fail because they're not using the correct methods or outdated techniques, and the end results are failure and disappointment. I know this because not too long ago that I was in those exact shoes. Struggling to make money online like the majority of newbies out there. I had big dreams of ending my days of the daily grind at my job and living the laptop lifestyle. I mean, all the successful internet marketers made it look easy, but I just could not seem to make it work consistently for myself. It didn't seem to work, no matter what course or training I bought. Every course seemed to be the same rehashed training, and when I applied the training I always ended up with little to zero results. It was like I was always missing a piece of the puzzle. I knew I needed to change something because what I was being taught by these so-called gurus still wasn't working. So I went back to drawing board, learning everything I could. This time taking notes from some of the most successful marketers around. Have you ever heard the quote? If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten. Well, let me tell you firsthand it's true. Once I stopped following what I was taught by the so-called gurus out there, and applied and started following the proven principles that the most successful marketers use, everything changed. From zero to consistent commissions daily. Finally, I cracked the system. And this is what I want to share it with you as well. You just need to put some work. I've leave a link right below the video, make sure you check it out.